Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you all had a great day. To round up today, we are making Singapore noodles. You're going to start by adding some oil in your pan. I added chili oil, guys. My star dragged me. That since I bought chili oil, I haven't allowed the oil rest. So after this recipe, we're going to give it a break. If you don't have chili oil, guys, just use regular oil. I fried some chicken in it. Once it was done, I took it out, fried my starter pack, added my mixed veggies, and I'm going to season with my trusted sazon. Guys, somebody was asking me, is sazon my favorite spice? Yes, hands down the best spice. Okay, and that's on period. Now once that is properly fried, we're going to add in our pre-soaked noodles. I soaked my noodles in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to add in my sauce that I have mixed up. And guys, this is the most annoying part of making Singapore noodles, trying to combine all the ingredients. My arms were literally aching. Anyways, once I succeeded in this Herculean task, I added my chicken that I took out earlier and some crab sticks, mixed that all up together, and I covered it and allowed it steam for about 5 minutes. And guys, our Singapore noodles is ready. I hope you try this recipe and I hope you let me know how you find it. I love you so much, guys. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.